Hello friends, today we'll discuss how to copy all attachments from one record to another record in ServiceNow. So for handling the attachment, ServiceNow provide one API that name is GlideSys attachment. In that GlideSys attachment API, there is one function that is copy. By using that copy function, we are copying the attachment, and their complete syntax is glides is attachment dot copy string source table. Source, like from where we are copying. So source table means, like, let's say incidents, where put this incident string source IDs. String source ID, like some record sys ID is there, so that we are copying. There is some record number is there, that we are copying. Eh, not copying, it's here we are just putting. And here the string target table. So let's say our target table is maybe incident, maybe problem. So that target table name we are putting here in the form of incident. And string target ID, maybe some their record having the sys ID, maybe some record having some unique number, so that we are putting in the form of string. So for implementing this, let's go to the instance and open incident.list and just create one new incident here. Let's say I have caller test attachment copy -1. Now I'm saving it, and I will attach one file. It's any kind of file, so I'm attaching one JPG file here. Yeah. Now let's create one more incident. Incident.to. This is the shortcut to open the new form. And here the caller is Abraham Lincoln. And what is this? Okay. Now what we are trying to do now, here we are trying to copy this attachment from this record to this incident record. So how we'll do that? Let's open. I will do with the help of using background script, but you can use GlideSys attachment maybe in business rule, maybe in script include as well. It's depend upon the requirement. So I'm just opening background script here, where attach equal to new GlideSys attachment. Now attach dot copy. This is the copy is the function which it will be in the GlideSys attachment API. Copy, and here put the parameters that is source table in string format, that is incident of source table is incident, and unique source ID is sysID. So that sysID I'm copying here. Yeah. Now the target table name, that is also same in target record ID, comma record ID is yeah. So let me see, where attached equal to new GlideSys attachment attached dot copy incident. Yeah, I think that's right. It should work. Let's run the script. Yeah, it's work. So currently if you see, there is no attachment is there. Once we refresh this form, you will see one attachment. Yeah, it's work. So So like that you can copy the attachment from one record to another record. In current scenario I have copying the record from one incident record to another incident record, but there is no compulsion you have to copy in service request or change record. In a problem record as well you can copy the attachment. So there is no restriction like that. I hope you have got it. Got it. Thank you.